Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus that is in need of a screen replacement and a back glass replacement. So right here we have a broken front display, so we're gonna replace that one. And David is also testing the charging because the charging port is also damaged. So we're just gonna perform a basic charging port cleaning on this one, see if we can save this without replacing the entire charging port. And David the magician did it again. No need for us to change the charging port board because it's already working, but the screen, as you can see on the top, there's a white line, but you can see that it's still getting brighter. This is not normal. You can also see some flashes. If you're sensitive to light, this can be annoying. There's a lot of issues when you have an unstable display. You can also have this flickering effect that can be dangerous to your eyes if it's sensitive to sudden movements of flashes of lights. So we can just replace that one because that's the only solution on this. We know that it's charging normally. And we're gonna replace both the back glass and the front glass. So we still have to be very careful not to damage other components inside, especially the chassis. So this one, the back glass is already removed. We're gonna disassemble the whole thing. And as you know, Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus has this design wherein when you replace the front display, you will also be replacing the chassis. So everything that is in the chassis will have to be removed and transplanted to the new display / chassis integration. There's a single module that you have to replace. But the good thing about these high-end Samsung Galaxy smartphones is their accessibility to possible repair. This is the back glass, by the way. It's also ready for installation because you have the adhesive strips on it. The big work will be on the front display. So we have to remove the daughter board, the flat cables, the motherboard, as you can see in the center here. And this is the replacement display. So it's display with, on the side, it's also the chassis. So we will reverse our process in here. And do we recommend that you do DIY your own Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus screen replacement or back glass replacement? And the back glass, maybe yes, it's kind of direct and straightforward. But with the front display, it can be tricky and risky, especially the value of your smartphone is pretty high. And even with a very skilled DIYer, maybe like yourself, it can still be very risky. We have encountered some problems with incompatible screen models on certain Galaxy smartphones, or some smartphones not turning on after the screen replacement. If you don't know how to troubleshoot that, then maybe you should just visit a certified professional technician, or you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. We can do it for you. So right now we're just gonna screw it in. There's a high temp warning and it's not charging. We're almost done. We're gonna try to boot it up, turn it on. And it's here. It's working. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus that is in need of a screen replacement, or you have an iPhone that is in need of a screen replacement, just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We have reasonable prices. We have a very good track record, especially with Samsung smartphones, because David here is the Samsung magician. He can fix anything. If you have a Samsung Gear smartwatch or an Apple Watch, he can also do those with no problem. I'm gonna turn this off, complete the repair by installing the new back glass. So this smartphone can just pass on as brand new. Compared to what we have at the beginning of this video, this is way better looking. So I hope you enjoy this screen replacement operation with us, guys. Until next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.